Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up GB WhatsApp messages. So let's get into it. First of all, launch your GB WhatsApp on your device and hit the three dots at the top right corner of your screen to access the drop-down menu. From the list, select Settings. Then choose Chat on the next page. Up next, select Chat Backup. By doing that, a backup that's familiar with WhatsApp will be created and stored in your phone's local drive. Once you have completed the process, install the official WhatsApp on your device from the Play Store. After the successful download of WhatsApp, you'll have to move the GB WhatsApp backup saved in your local drive to WhatsApp. Follow the procedure to do that. Navigate to the main interface of your WhatsApp and click the three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down list, select Settings. Then click the Chats. Select Chat Backup and from the option, choose Backup to Google Drive. Now all the data from the GB WhatsApp backup moved to official WhatsApp will be backed up to your Google Drive. You just have to be patient for the process to get finalized. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.